tool didn't have what I'm looking for, so I'm gonna go to Lowe's now. I'm sure they have it. So I couldn't find one here either. I'm just looking for a torque wrench, but all the torque wrenches that they have here are just way too big. They're mostly for like oil field type stuff. Well, not here at Lowe's, but at Northern Tool, they're for oil field. And then here at Lowe's, the smallest they had was from 20 foot-pounds to 110, I believe. Which the most I need is 110 inch-pounds, which comes out to be about 9 foot-pounds. So all the ones here were just a little bit too big. My pizza's here. Over. Had a good little pizza break. Now we're back at it. Got it all cleaned up now. Got this all cleaned up as well. Now I'm just working on getting the spark plugs. This side's not going to be too bad, but this passenger side, as you can tell, it's got a lot of shit in the way. The spark or the coil pack is down inside there. I gotta find a way to get this stuff out of the way so I can pull them out. It's being a pain in the ass. I've gotten all these undone here, but something's still holding up this harness, and that's what I need out of the way most, really. So I'm gonna keep messing with that and see what I can get, but I might have to try to snake them past it without removing them, but we'll see. Sorry I haven't been recording much, but we just now did the spark plugs, which are underneath these coil packs here. The passenger side's a pain in the ass. You have to try to free this thing up as much as you can, this harness here, but I didn't really free it up like completely. I just got enough where I can move it out of the way, and then I kind of did it. And then also there's a hose right here, and I had to pull that. Be careful, mine kind of split on me a little bit. I'm probably gonna have to replace that in the future. But we just now got all the spark plugs put in, and then we're currently cleaning off the plenum spacer so that we can put everything back together. apologize, it's really windy today. It's always windy here though. But I wanted to show you guys it real quick installed. Alright, so this is the engine bay afterwards. So this is spaced up so that this will still fit. If you look right here, that's where the spacer is at. You can see it. It's actually really freaking hot from the drive this morning. I drove quite a bit this morning, so. But yeah, you can see the spacer on both sides here. It's just this piece right here. Pretty noticeable actually, like if you really look, you can definitely tell. And then since this plenum right here actually stops somewhere about right here, it actually doesn't go hardly any further past. Like I always thought it went down all the way, but it actually stops right about here. So this part is lifted higher than where these are at, so it actually like kind of bent this piece a little bit, like it's sitting at a slant. So it was kind of hard to get on there, and it's kind of hard to reach the back of the oil cap right now. Like you can't even put a finger in the very back of it, so it's kind of hard to get that off now, but not a big deal. So I just want to talk about the performance of it real quick. Since I put it on, I have definitely noticed a difference. The car, not really in the low end, more so after about 4,500 RPMs, it just pulls really strong and really hard. Like the low end still feels just about the same, but as soon as you hit about 4,500 RPMs, it all of a sudden just kind of wakes up and it just pulls even harder. Like you can just feel it just kick in. That could also be the timing as well, because I know these cars have the timing that's right around that area, but it's definitely more noticeable with the plenum spacer. The high end just pulls so much more. And also the sound of my car has also changed quite a bit. Before it was kind of mellowed it out, honestly. It kind of made it where it's not as high pitched, it's more of like a lower sound. It's not that big of a difference, but I can definitely tell, especially as I get higher in the RPMs. My car used to kind of peak at like 3,000, like how loud it is would kind of peak at about 3,000. It would get like really loud at 3,500 RPMs, and then all of a sudden it would kind of die off, like the sound. But now it just keeps getting louder and louder, but it's not like a raspy high pitched sound. It's like it's a smooth, refined sound. It sounds a lot healthier. It sounds like it's running correctly, but I still need to get it tuned because I have the test pipes, so I need to get it tuned. I mean, as you can tell, my car is definitely not running how it's supposed to be. My tips are completely black. They didn't used to be that way until I got test pipes, obviously, so I need to get that fixed. And also I got some new tires, so I can finally hook better now. So I got some Hankook Ventus V12s, and they are 275 they're 275 wide, so they're definitely a lot better. They actually hook now. I mean, first gear I still spin, but the rest of it is good. Other than that, I think that's about it. Yesterday I did a photo shoot with @DViews, and he absolutely killed it. There's some great shots in there, so I can't wait to release some of those. I probably won't put them on my YouTube channel, but if you guys follow me on anything else, my Instagram or anything like that, you'll definitely see pictures of this car. He got some awesome shots of it, so probably my favorite shots of my car so far, so definitely stay tuned for that. And then this Saturday I am going to Dallas to go to VQ DFW. I know Evan Shanks will be there, so keep an eye out for that. I'm staying the night in Dallas for the night, and then I'm driving back. Actually, the guy with the Genesis, he's gonna be with me. He's my roommate. He's gonna be driving down with me. He's taking his Genesis too, so yeah, that'll be exciting. I've never seen Dallas, so I'm super excited to go down there and just go cruise Dallas and go see what it's like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for any future content, and make sure to follow me on, obviously, my YouTube channel, and then all my other social media accounts. I have my Instagram name's the same, and then if you can also find me on Facebook. I don't post on Facebook as much, but you can still find me there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.